Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in InShot. If you are new to InShot and you don't know how to add captions to your video, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, choose any option that you prefer. Here, to create a new project, click on New. And now you can choose the video. Click here to add it to your timeline. Now to add the captions, simply click on text here, and now you can see the option captions, sticker text. If we click on captions, there is an option of auto caption only, so we'll have to add the captions manually. To do that, cross it and simply click on text again and add your desired caption. Click here to save changes. And you can make captions small and put it wherever you like. And if we select this, we can see the duration of the text, and we can also increase or decrease the length of the text just like this. And if we play it, you can see that. And we can also add many captions like this. You can simply click here and copy it and move it just like this, and again you can edit it so that the font will be of the same size. And again, click here to save changes. Now if you play it, you can see our captions appearing in the video. Click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added captions in InShot video. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.